this because of personal reasons with the governor, or we are not pushed from any quarter to do this. This is out of our own conscience as leaders, elected leaders, who represent thousands of voters who sent us here to do the oversight work. Because the Constitution, the law does not allow all the members, all the electorates to come here. They've sent us here as their representatives, and we are doing this. Why are we doing this? We want Nyamira County to be the best county in this country. If there is anything that is going wrong, we must make noise. We must point it out. And we must tell the way it is. So we are not at personal war with anyone. We are just putting forward the reasons why we feel that Nyamira should be run better than it is being run now. It's only in Nyamira where there are no functional street lights at all. It's only in Nyamira where an ECD teacher is paid 25 million as a month as a special salary. It's only in Nyamira where we have a lot of things going on. So we want to push our case. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for the support you've given us, for the moral support you've given us, and we confident that God is ahead of us.